What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. We're going to show you what's going on in the shop like we do every week. Behind me, we'll start with this beautiful McLaren 650S. Jimmy, look at the way he sits. Look how strange that is. He's installing some carbon fiber vinyl. We're doing those side scoops as well as the engine cover, the piece behind the engine cover, and the piece in front of it. So it'll be like a center carbon fiber piece on the whole back of the car there. And to my right is a Mustang GT. This one's getting some paint protection film on the front bumper and the rear spoiler and the rear deck lid. And more PPF seems to be the trend. We're booking out really far for PPF right now. If you're a PPF installer in the Pittsburgh area watching this, call me. We need you. We will hire you. This one's getting full front protection, hood, fenders, front bumper, and mirrors. And a giant Z71 Silverado is here for some ceramic, I guess you could say, touch-up. I'm not really sure what was going on with it, but we had to polish the passenger side. Something happened to it. It's not like a warranty claim, but something's going on. So this one's pretty much ready to go home. Another giant truck, F350. This is the FX4 package. This one's getting a polish and a ceramic coating. I'm not sure if you can catch it in the light, but the paint is pretty rough, so it needs basically a full paint correction before we install the coating. In the wash bay, we've got Maximus washing the Tesla. That's my wife's car, and we are about to do a video with that car. So check that video out if you are curious. How much does it actually cost to drive a Tesla as opposed to a gas-powered vehicle or a diesel-powered vehicle? You will find out. This is Max. He's cleaning up the Tesla. He's always cleaning and prepping something. He's learning paint protection film. He's gonna do really great with that. Over here, we have a gigantic black van. Got paint corrected. It's getting coated tomorrow. And in the tint bay, Terrell and Kevin are working on something super cool. If you notice this badge, a V10 Audi. I don't think I've ever seen one before. This is an S6. I think they made them in a V8, but also apparently a V10. This thing is ridiculously clean. I don't think anybody's ever sat in the seats. This is somebody that we know pretty well, and you guys might too. Stay tuned to find out what we're doing on this, all the in-depth stuff. But basically, we're tinting the windows, ceramic coating it, polishing the paint, and reinstalling paint protection film. I say reinstalling because somebody did an install on this probably in 2008. And you can see the film has taken a beating, showing its age. There's no clear coat on this film, so I think this was maybe old Venture Shield. The good news is it's coming off pretty clean, so I already pulled this fender off. You can still see the line from the adhesive, but coming off without leaving much glue. So something that comes up a lot with us is what happens once the paint protection film is 10 years old or 8 years old or whatever. This was probably installed in 2008 because there's no chips under it. Car is an 08. 14 years this film has been on this car. Came off, did not pull any paint off, did not cause me any headaches to do that, and you've got no rock chips underneath it. So that is the benefit of PPF. This V10 is basically the same bottom end and internals as the 5.2 liter Gallardo Lamborghini. So that makes sense because Audi owned Lamborghini at that point. So this thing's got to be a blast. It's getting an exhaust, it's getting wheels, it's getting lowered. It's gonna be pretty cool. So we're outside, we've got a Cadillac Escalade. You'll never guess who this one belongs to. Same person that has that Caterpillar over there. Sorry, the Escalade's just getting cleaned up. GT500 is here for an annual inspection. On the ceramic coating, that car is a full wrap and a coating. And right here, we've got a Lincoln Aviator. This one's also here for an annual inspection. This one's ready to go home. Z71, another one, got tint today. My truck, we're gonna be doing that in the same video as the Tesla, comparing cost to drive that beast and the Tesla Model Y. And back there, we've got a GLE, I believe, 53. That's here for a coating. It's next in line. It's prepped. Just need to rinse it off and start polishing. So that'll come in this afternoon. And a Caterpillar. We've been tinting a lot more pieces of equipment. This one belongs to Mr. Barbish. He's constantly buying new stuff, growing like crazy, and we're tinting all the way around on that cab. Trike, also another annual inspection. And same with the Ram, annual inspection. Lots and lots of coatings, and every year those coatings need an annual checkup. Let's see what's up front. We have a new Acura Integra A-Spec. So they brought the Integra name back, if you remember that, in the 90s. So we're tinting this one at 1 o'clock, and we'll be ready to go. Let's see what's happening in Pittsburgh. Maybe we can check in with Patrick in Miami. I know they're super busy there.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so let's take a tour through our Gibsonia shop. In the showroom, we have this BMW M5 Competition. This got some XPEL paint protection film on the front bumper, the back bumper, the entire hood, and the rocker panels, topped off with an XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Also in for ceramic coating and paint protection film is this GMC Sierra. This vehicle got the entire hood, the rocker panel kit, A-pillars and roof, along with the door edge guards protected with the XPEL paint protection film, also topped off with the Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Next up for ceramic coating is this 2021 Toyota Tundra. We tinted the 2 front doors in this vehicle to match the factory tinted back section. We are now polishing out all the paint to prep it for the ceramic coating. Next up for ceramic coating is this 2022 Chevy Trail Boss. In the tint bay is this Mazda CX-5. This is getting our Prime CS 5% tint on all the side windows and the back window. In the back, we have Austin working on this 2022 Audi RS3. This is getting the full front clip done along with the A-pillars, and we'll be tinting all the side windows and the back window this afternoon in our Prime XR 20% film. Our full wrap of the week is this Lexus IS 300. This is getting every painted surface on the outside of the vehicle protected, and our XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
You guys guessed it, we're back again for our What's in the Shop Wednesday. We're here with our special guest, Harrison. He is the proud owner of National Dealer Supplies down here in sunny Florida.
How you guys doing?
All right, so we're back inside now because here it is in Florida that it decided to rain. So we're gonna go inside. Let's see what we have going on back here. Thanks to Alfredo here for being my cameraman this week. Appreciate that. All right, so we got a couple things back here. You might remember the Tesla Model X from last week. This one got a full XPEL paint protection film wrap the whole way around, as well as the window trims, headlights, and taillights are also done. Then we did XR Plus the whole way around, and then we're just finishing up a couple bits on it. We're gonna do the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating on it. All right, and then moving on to our next project. This is a brand new Ford F-250 Super Duty. It is a very large truck. It is getting a full XPEL paint protection film wrap as well. We're going to be removing these sport letters on the side, putting the PPF down, and we're putting these 4x4 bigger letters that the customer chose here. And then once the full wrap is all done, we're going to be giving the XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating on top of this piece as well. So that's all we have going on this week here at the Miami location. Short and sweet. We got 2 cars for 2 full wraps. We have another Corvette coming in this week as well for some paint protection film. So it's a busy week here so far, so we're happy. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our videos, and we will see you guys next week.